What is it? I said, what is it? Why are you chasing my daughter? Huh?
You better warn your daughter. Because next time I see her in our duty post, I promise you, I must disgrace her in this village.
Disgrace her for what?
Shut up! When niggas are talking, you don't need to talk. Chief, you heard him well. You better take your daughter inside your room before it be too late.
Chief,
do you remember this face? Long time ago. Good day, Chief. Good day, ma.
Welcome, my dear.
And how may I help you?
Chief, I'm Chinedu, Mazifedi's son.
I know, Chinedu. I know you. I even know your father, even your grandfather. So my question is, why do you want me to help you? What do you want?
Chief, calm down. Calm down and listen to him.
Calm down for what? I say calm down for what? Can there be anything good he has come for? If not, do this for me, do that for me. But let me tell you, if it is why you are here, know it that I don't have a tree that produces money. Hey, what about this time here? Go?
Chief, this is not fair. It is not fair at all. What do you tell you? What do you want you?
You held your wife, Akwenwere Okwabe. Your wealth has left you to another person. Tomorrow might be my turn. It's a pity that the disease has helped in teaching you a very big lesson. Though the disease is a global pandemic, but I believe that there are some people that are not feeling the pain you're feeling now. There are some people that are using this opportunity to rest and to eat what they have been able to save in the bank and upon human beings. Look at your life. Wicked man. Shut up! Don't say a word.
Boss, let's have mercy on this man. You can see the man is in a pensive mood.
What are we for, ma'am? After all, I'm not the source of his wealth. I'm in the streets hustling, and he has gone back to square one. Just take a look at him. Now you can come back and join us in the business we are doing, you know, for the fact that this wicked man here is your father.
You better wash your mouth.
Boys, let's go.
Jenny, what business did you transact with those bandits? Those boys?
Jenny, answer our father. Answer him.
Speak up if I lose my temper.
Father, over my dead body, will I tell you what happened?
Eh?
Yes. Because he that fetched and imported firewood invites Lisa. Yes. Father, whatsoever character I'm wearing today is carried out by you. You heard me, mother, and you equally heard those boys. Father, you are wicked. Yes, you are evil. So whatsoever thing you are passing through today, it's out of your evil life. And trust me, I will help you to accomplish it.
Jenny, come back here.
Excuse me.
Jenny, come back here. Remember they're talking to our father. Jenny!
It's okay. Come on.
For how long will you keep it to yourself?
Philip, now waiting now. Now waiting, safe. But free me, Joe.
Jenny, you refuse to tell me your encounter with those boys.
And our father asks you, you have the impetus to tell him that it will be over your dead body if you tell him your encounter with those boys.
Jenny, come to think,
I'm your only brother. What will you gain from hiding something from me? What is it? Tell me.
See, guy, you don't too talk. Back where they hear me. Huh? I go tell you. Okay. Yeah, I go tell you.
Okay.
Philip, you say this is our present condition. Me, you say you don't like her. I be like her.
Yes, of course. Nobody will be pleased eating the plate in the morning and in the afternoon you eat on the floor.
Oh my God.
See my son. See my son.
Yeah.
Welcome, my dear.
Okay,
easy your face.
I want it.
Mom, you are now fresh. I mean, when looking at you, you are now getting more beautiful.
Every time, every day, you're like,
I can't see myself.
Look at my son, praising the mother. It's only your mother that is fresh. Or what are you talking about? How do I look?
Jealousy. You look yummy. You're a darling. Are you okay now?
Yes, I'm okay now.
Jealousy. People, the other one. Where's your sister?
Oh, Jenny.
Yeah.
She's not back with me.
Why?
Jenny refused to come back with me.
See the life of your daughter's life?
Whose daughter? I know why you're back, my son. Because of this lockdown. In fact, you are lucky. You know, very soon, many states will start closing their borders. Of which, if you had not come in before the closure of the borders, you'll be trapped. So, my son, you're welcome. You are wise enough. You're welcome.
But Daddy, I want to ask.
Yes.
Does it mean that nobody knows when this shutdown will be over? Because me, I'm getting tired. You know, I can't cope without education.
Yes, my dear, we don't know. You know one thing? We are relying on information we will get from NCDC and repeating them. If they tell us sit, we sit. If they tell us stand, we stand. But you must know that we are just starting. Other countries have gone very far.
Yes.
We are only learning from what they experienced. But we believe that one day, yeah, we will get through it.
First experience.
First
in my
experience.
life. Yeah?
Yeah?
Pandemic.
Pandemic.
Oh.
Hey.
My dear.
Yeah, welcome.
Anyway, Father.
You're welcome.
Anyway, Father.
Oh, I love this drink, Dad.
I'm going back to join you, Father.
Oh, keep your bag.
Have you started drinking this kind of thing in school?
No, Dad. I just want to test it.
I'm coming, though. So I will feed you well. I'm just scared about Jamie. Where's Jamie with you? Yeah? Supposing the law close every boundary. What is she going to do?
She's no longer in your womb. She's now a woman. She's on her own. Just trust that she will still make it and find her way. You know the nature of person you understand. Okay.
She doesn't hear at all.
What will I do? Will I kill myself or will you kill yourself?
I can't kill myself.
Thank
This
you.
life is so precious.
No problem.
I'm not happy.
Thank you. I don't know say it still get sense. You remember those 3 guys that time?
3 guys. Okay, yeah. I remember them, yeah. So what about them?
I met one of them yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
They hear me.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I beg him for money. Instead, he requested my body in return. I accepted.
Jenny, you are accepted.
Yes, nah.
Why? Come on now. Jenny, why?
Don't tell me why. I better not ask me why. The thing be say, instead of the guy to come do the thing alone, he called the other 2 guys And I did it with them. At the end of the day, he gave me 1,000 naira.
What? 1,000 naira, Jenny? So because of 1,000 naira, you sold yourself?
Oh, so it has gotten to that. It has gotten to this, that my daughter can do anything for money. My daughter can turn herself into a prostitute. Oh, what have I done to myself? How can I explain to these children? Who will understand me? Huh? If I had listened to my wife, it wouldn't have been like this to me now. Oh.
Jenny, so this is what you have been going through. You refuse to tell me. So 1,000 naira. Okay, come to think. So that is 330 for each. Because there are 3 now. You are 3. You sold yourself so cheap, Jenny. I'm ashamed of you.
No insult me. They hear me. See, I tell you, in this condition now, the only surviving way is by jungle way. They hear me. I follow jungle way, make you survive now.
Jungle way?
Yes.
Jungle way.
Listen to me, I tell you finish. Everybody no go be Reverend Father. They hear me. So something has to be done. You know, say this pandemic now, the kind hunger where they keep people is even more than the virus where they keep people. So calm down now. Now what for you? See this 1,000 naira. I won't use it now. Enter market. I think I run 1 or 2 now. Now what for you?
I will follow you because I don't trust those guys.
I
will follow you. Jenny, I must follow you. Jenny, come back here. I must follow you.
As small picking,
I must follow you. Because I don't trust those guys. Father. Papa, come on, you are done. Father. No. Now what is it now? Are you sleeping? Come.
Father.
Papa.
Father.
Here.
Father. Oh my God.
Father, talk to me. It's me. Father.
Oh my God.
Father, talk to me. Father.
Oh my God. Father.
Father, please don't do this to us. Please.
Father, wake up. Wake up, please. Father.